You must understand your doggedness and trust your strategy and your mindset before you can make money in this crypto market. Hi guys, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon, and you know what we do here daily. Okay, so today we'll be looking at Bitcoin daily analysis once again. Don't forget, yesterday I told you, if you have been following us yesterday, you should be making money, you should be in massive profit by now, because yesterday I told you that I'm bullish, not totally bullish, but at least I told you yesterday that Bitcoin will definitely give us a green candle yesterday after 5 days of consistent red candles. I told you yesterday that definitely I'm buying Bitcoin yesterday, and I'm hoping Bitcoin to give me a green candle yesterday after seeing the reactions on this our um demand zone. Okay, I told you yesterday that the Bitcoin have to give us a green candle at least, but look at it here now. This is yesterday's Bitcoin, yesterday's candle that closed bullishly, even above the high of the previous day. Okay, so and you can see today again have started and we are still printing green candle. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and then see what we are expecting today. Okay, yesterday is Wednesday. You have to understand time and season in this market for you to know what you should look out for again. There is a lot of things that made me to declare the fact that Bitcoin should give us a green candle yesterday. Number one of it is that the fact that yesterday is Wednesday. Okay, if you have been following Bitcoin on daily, okay, I have taken out years of research and studies on Bitcoin before I can open mouth and tell you that this is what I expect Bitcoin to do today, and Bitcoin really do it. Okay, so please, if you are watching the short clip of this analysis, please do well to join our YouTube channel. The link is on our bio, so that you can have full access to the full analysis. Okay, so guys, this is it. Bitcoin, my years of looking at Bitcoin charts and studying price action on Bitcoin is one of the criteria that made me to tell you yesterday that Bitcoin is definitely giving us a green candle. And look at it here. Okay, let me show you a chart that I was in, because I have to tell you the fact that I'm currently on a buy on Bitcoin. Look at the chart here. I'm currently on a buy, and I will show you where I'm expecting to short as well. So look at the trade here. This trade, I call this trade on my um, X account. I called it on my WhatsApp group as well, and also on my X community. Okay, we are currently on this buy and we are in massive profit. In fact, we have secured 1:1 risk to reward already, and we are waiting for Bitcoin to give us a full TP. Our full TP is at 78,500, which is this our line, this our target line. Okay, so but I'm expecting Bitcoin to get around 79,000 and 79,200, and I will take a shot from there. You can see that setup, right? So you have to master your craft here. At least it's not about the entry, it's not about the signal, it's about the control. Look at this, my part 2 this thing. When I was giving you this analysis yesterday, Bitcoin was trading around this place. Okay, when I sent this signal yesterday, Bitcoin was trading around what do you call it, around 77,300. Okay, so I give this signal with this direction, demanding the fact that Bitcoin should retrace this fair value gap here after making this upside move, retrace here, give us a high, retrace again, give us another high, which is exactly what Bitcoin have been doing since yesterday and into this morning. Okay, so it's not from a standpoint of guesswork. This is a result of study, several years of studies. Okay, so having said that, let's go back to the analysis this morning. So as I was telling you, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to make a higher push today. to make a higher push today around that zone that I'm expecting to sell. Okay, I'm expecting to sell Bitcoin around this zone. Okay, so I still expect that today is Thursday, right? Yeah, we can still close a bullish candle today so that we can get to here and then sell. Don't forget, on a general note, Bitcoin is on a downtrend, but I used to tell you guys that we buy to sell and we sell to buy. There's no way Bitcoin will fall, will sell without buying, and there's no way Bitcoin will buy without selling. It's as simple as that. That is the summary of all this one. Market this, structure that, liquidity that, liquidity. All the summary is that before a sell, there must be a buy. Before you buy, there must be a sell. It's as simple as that. Okay, so guys, let's see what we are expecting today. Okay, so this is yesterday high, right? Price is trading above it already. Asians are buying. That's one thing I love about Asians. Asians is just a product of aura to aura, akara for akara, beans for beans. If you buy, they will buy for you. If you sell, they will help you sell well. That's the Asian market for you. Okay, so look at this. This is the low of Bitcoin yesterday, and this is the high. Okay, and if you watch currently, market is price is trading above the high of yesterday. So what are we expecting today? Let's go to 4 hours and see what happened on the 4 hours. Okay, now this is our 4 hours closure. Okay, so if you watch now, Bitcoin is trying to retest yesterday's high, retest it and possibly push to the upside. So if you are not on a buy already, you don't need to stress yourself. Okay, the market is not for you again. Just leave it, or else if you are a risk averse trader, if I go to my 1 hour time frame, I can show you where you can place a buy entry, but it's risky. Okay, so yeah, look at it here. Look at the structure. Now I'm a structural trader. You see it? You see it at that yesterday candle closure. Look at it. If I were you, if I must buy, I must wait for market to retrace at least here. Then I'll take my buy from here. If not, then I will wait for market to finish playing around. Maybe possibly get to this my sell target zone. This my supply, because there is a supply around this zone here. You see this place here. There is a supply here that I'm expecting. I'm expecting this Bitcoin to take this as liquidity today, then come to this supply and sell. Okay, so it's either you come place your entry for buy continuation here, or you wait for market to get to this supply and then you sell. It's as simple as that. Okay, so don't complicate it. The chart is very easy. Bitcoin is always giving you its expression on what to do next. So we are just the one that usually force market, but Bitcoin price action is always clear for understanding. But if you don't take your time to study and master it, and don't forget that usually sometimes market changes, so your ability to always detect market change and know how market function is also another craft that you need to master. Okay, so guys, you have to always keep on with our daily analysis, always hear what we are expecting of Bitcoin for the day before you make your trading decision. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys again tomorrow. You have seen the bias I have given you, have seen the entry point I told you, and what you should expect for today. So guys, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like this video and share with your fellow traders, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel when you're watching the full video. Okay, so thank you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow in our next review. Thank you and enjoy your trading day. Bye for now. I remain my humble self, Born Great Solomon. See you tomorrow.